Are you curious about digital publishing? Do you dream of becoming an author? Then you're in the right place. Introducing a comprehensive guide on eBooks by Nicolae Sfetcu. This guide is packed with everything you need to know about eBooks, from their history to how to create and publish your own. What exactly is an eBook? Simply put, it's a digital book that can be read on electronic devices. This guide delves into the fascinating history of electronic publishing, highlighting how it has evolved. We will explore different ebook formats like PDF, EPUB, and Kindle. Understanding these formats helps you choose the best one for your work. Creating, editing, and distributing ebooks is easier than ever with the right tools. This guide also covers essential business models for self-publishing, giving you practical insights as an aspiring author. Digital rights management is an important topic in publishing. The guide explains its implications for both authors and readers, ensuring you understand how to protect your work. E-readers are revolutionizing how we consume books. Learn about market trends and popular devices that can enhance your reading experience. This guide is absolutely free. Aspiring self-publishers, indie authors, students, tech lovers, and anyone interested in digital books will find valuable insights within. Each chapter dives deep into topics like ebook production, file formats, and the role of DRM. Download your free copy today and start your digital publishing journey. Visit the link on the screen now for instant access. Join countless others who have stepped into the world of digital publishing. Grab your guide and unlock your potential as an author today.